Award. Paano po ito na alaman kung sino? Yung lahat ng leaders ng global family, nagkaroon sila ng consensus, and the Leader of the Year Award is given to Christine Martin. For your demonstration of leadership in your respective position that inspire members to become part of God's army of witnesses. Given today.
Congratulations!
Stewards of International ay nagkaroon po sila ng usap-usap amongst them. So, they chose Christine. And it's so beautiful because ayan naman, honor ko naman ang Hong Kong. USA, Canada, 9 leaders of the United States, 4 leaders in Canada, and 4 leaders from UAE, and Palma and Madrid. So the UK, 3 leaders doon. So all of them, hindi ko masasabi lahat sila, mas marami po yung talagang nag-kay Sister Christine. And continue to emulate o maging example na sa lahat.